Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sue Lifestyle. If you're new here, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to push that subscribe button. So, guys, this is a reset vlog of it's 2025. We're getting into 2025. So I started to clean my bedroom. Listen, me know, you know, say I know everybody love the cleaning something, but it's okay. It's okay. If you are not able to, if you can afford to let someone clean for you, then get that. And when it comes to cleaning, for me, my peace, my mental health, once my surrounding is clean, it's the best thing I can do for myself. And I know everyone is not capable of doing it mentally, but cleaning can let you feel lighter. It makes you feel free. It makes you feel like you can function better. How about that? Start off with small areas. Start off with your bedroom, or start off with your kitchen, or start off with the bathroom, because that's what I do. I start off with my bedroom because that's where I lay my head. So I tend to change the sheets. That's the first thing. Try and change your sheets at least once a week. Guys, use fresh sheets at least once a week, because with that, you sleep, you sweat, and your body go through a lot of things when you sleep. So change your sheets at least once a week, guys. Okay? And if, as I said, if you can't do it, get somebody to do it for you. Here I changed my sheets, and then after, I'm just going to wipe down everywhere, like dust down everywhere, because guys, I live in London and I don't know where so much dust come from. Me don't know where so much dust come from, like where all this dust come from. I try to at least dust my place every other day just to keep it at bay. To be honest, I did not have a lot of dust in the bedroom, because I tend to try and keep on top of things. And as I said before, not everyone is capable of doing it every day. Do it once a week or whenever you can, but don't allow it to build up and then like it's overwhelming, because that's where we tend to go into depression, especially in this time of year when it's December, January, February. A lot of people suffer from depression. Turn on some music, get it going. It's me here, so I dance and I go on with myself. I was singing, Father, please, no. You know that song there? Yeah, that song there. Listen, just put on some music, guys. Blast your music and just get in the groove and just start to clean. Listen, see, after me finish cleaning my place, me feel so good, because sometimes I do feel down. I would not say I have depression or anything like that, no, but you have the winter blues, and I do get the winter blues, guys, because let me tell you, England gray and dark, let's put it like that. We don't really get sun. Especially during the winter. So I tend to just put on the music, play some music, blast it, and start to just get in the groove and clean. Do I like cleaning? Yes, I grew up cleaning a lot. Okay, the next place I tackle is my kids' bedroom, because I like to clean my kids' room. Okay, change the sheets once a week, just the same as how I do my bedroom. And because once they sleep on clean sheets, they feel better. My daughter will complain if the sheets are not clean. Okay, this girl, her skin will itch. So guys, as I said, just take it one step at a time. You do not have to do everything in one go. Let me repeat myself. You do not have to do everything in one go. If you clean your bedroom today, tomorrow you can clean your kids' bedroom or the bathroom or wherever. Just take it in tiny steps, because not everybody love it clean. The Jamaican in me love clean. Me love a clean house, guys. So guys, anyways, I'm not gonna be rambling right through the video. Also, I want to give encouraging words to anybody out there that is suffering from mental health or having the winter blues. It's okay. We all go through it. Just keep positive, keep praying, keep your head up, keep striving. Don't give up, because in life, if we give up, then what? Then everything will come crumbling down on us, okay? So keep going, guys, and just take life one step at a time. Nobody's life is perfect. Remember that. No one's life is perfect. And you might look on somebody else's life and think they're perfect, but trust and believe they might go through something too. They are going through something too. They just probably not showcase it, but each and every one of us go through something. And go out for a walk, go for fresh air, and let the cold wind hit you in the face. Sometimes we need that. We need that little fresh air. We need to get out. And as I said again, try and clean little bits and pieces and take it one step at a time. And I hope everyone enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna stop rambling now and just sit back, enjoy, and remember, God is love, God loves you, and keep on going. Stay tuned. I hope you subscribe, like, share my vlogs, and I hope you enjoy it. So yeah, guys, see you later. Continue watching the vlog. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Should I say welcome back? Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sue Lifestyle. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And over here we do vlog and lifestyle content. My name is Susie, and welcome to all my new subscribers, and also for my old subscribers, thank you for always staying tuned. If you're new, please catch up on my old vlogs, binge watch them, and subscribe, like, share the videos. So guys, yesterday I went to B&M and I got this refill what do you call it here, Febreze plugins, hair fresheners, and this is it. I need to edit that vlog anyway. I haven't edited that vlog as yet. Smells good. Smells really good. Oh, so I'm actually putting this one in the passageway because it's finished. The old one is finished, so I'm going to put a new one now. Let me tell you, these last a long time and it smells so good. So yeah, I'm going to put it in now. So that's that. This is how it looks, and I can already smell it. Is it on? And it's on max already. Anyways, guys, good morning. It is the 2nd of January, and I'm about to take down this today. I'm going to take down my Christmas tree today. I'm definitely taking it down now because we're in the new year. And hold on. And yeah, so today I am basically going to remove the Christmas tree. Hold on, let me give these kids their breakfast and then check back in with you guys, and we're gonna have a chat. So guys, I am back. I know earlier I think earlier I showed you guys when I was doing breakfast. Now we're having lunch. So almost 3 o'clock lunch. Just gonna have something, and then I haven't taken down the Christmas tree yet. I went just got shower, went to shower, and then scrub, give Aiden a good scrub, a dub. That's my son. And then you know, I'm hungry. I haven't ate all morning, and it's almost 3 now. So I'm just giving the kids, well, the kids eat obviously, and even today I'm gonna be making some soup. This is some spaghetti jerk salmon. I think I'll show you guys this recipe plenty of times. Let me give these kiddos, because I think they must hungry now. And then after, we're going to take down the Christmas tree. I'm going to make some soup today as well. I'm going to show that, because I don't know, see how many times I make soup already, right? So these are the kids. This is how it's looking. This is for Aiden. Here. This is mine. I am so hungry.
Why do you need to bring your teddy with you? Bring me. Bring me.
Can you lot stop?
Teddy store.
Who are you talking to?
Why are you talking to her? I was talking to her. Mommy.
Yes, Avery.
I did cheat. No.
So this is my food that I'm going to have now. I am starving, guys. Starving is not even the word. I think I've been fasting for long. Yes.
Can you just...
So guys, something about, I don't know for everybody, but for myself, overnight food, oh my god. Amen. Tastes so good. This tastes so nice. And I'm having it with some water. I think drinking water with a straw helps me to drink more water than to drink it from the bottle. In a cup or a jug or whatever with a straw in it helps me to drink more. So I'm gonna finish this, and then I'm gonna let me do the soup first and then do the tree later, or I'm gonna do the tree and then do the, no, I'm gonna cook first and then do the tree later on, because the kids them watch TV and all kind of something. I'll do the tree later. So guys, I finished cooking the soup. This is some chicken soup. It's all finished now. Looks amazing. So I'm gonna share with the kids on now. Yes, I'm gonna share the kids food. It's actually 6 o'clock on the dot, and then I'm gonna take down the Christmas tree. I think if we even still take it down today, I'd leave it till tomorrow. I just love looking at the Christmas tree, honestly. Love looking at it. But I already take down the box, so I just gotta take it down and just put away everything. Alright.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Look at her. Look at her woman, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away.
you. Shorty